Hey guys, what's up? Haven't filmed any car videos in a long time. I think it's been a couple weeks. Usually I'm posting 2 or 3 a week, but I've just been real busy with work and everything. But it's extremely cold out here today. It's a Sunday morning. Take a look. It's windy. Poured rain last night. It didn't even show rain on the forecast. So we got a lot of freak weather rolling in right now. But what we're gonna do is wait for Joel. Joel's on his way. We're gonna drive to Simi Valley, California. We have a couple locations out there where there's a couple cars that my buddy Desert Adventures found online. So we're gonna go examine those and see exactly what the outcome of those is. Stay with me, guys. Joel's on his way.
That chocolate cake with the cheesecake on top?
Yeah.
Where's the trash cooler?
I don't know. All right, guys, we just stopped at Carl's Jr. really quick. By the time we get there, it's gonna be 2 o'clock probably, so we're running really late. We're only gonna have 3 hours of sunlight. So let's make the best of it. Joel's here. He's on fire, he's going wild.
I'm completely stuffed. You killed me with that one. Just have me get the famous star, Dooners, not the double famous star. Oh, the famous star, Dooners, not the double. No, the famous star is their most famous burger.
Yeah, but you get to one step up where you get the double patty.
Double patty, double cheese. Christ. I'm done. I'm toast. I'm cooked. I'm an overdone hamburger patty right now. I'm so full.
All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we made it to the canyon, but it's saying this is a private road. But we're gonna see if we could pull over somewhere and try to hike to at least 1 or 2 of these cars. We have about 3 hours of sunlight, and you gotta use extreme caution when we're pulling over. Look, guys, if you pull off the road, it drops about 8 inches and then goes into mud. And I'm in my van, my work van. So we have to be extremely, extremely careful where we park up here in this canyon. Hopefully we can even find a spot to park, and we're gonna have to walk in to see if we can get to these cars. Stay with me.
You never had a chance because you never knew it was there. Yep, they're looking at you like prey. You're toast.
Yeah.
It'll sneak up and you won't know it's there. It'll be on you.
All right, guys, we found a little tiny spot to park, and we're gonna have to hike probably 10 minutes uphill to try to find a couple of these vehicles that we're looking for. I'm gearing up in my permethrin suit. Everything's sprayed in permethrin. For those of you that follow my channel, you guys know I spray all my stuff with tick repellent because I go in deep. Okay, what do I need? Backpack.
You need to get in your trunk and move this vehicle over 2 feet.
Let me see. Yeah, but is this soft?
Yeah, no, it's hard. It's hard enough. It's hard enough. It's hard enough to move over 2 foot.
Joe, so I'm gonna crank the wheel, back me up to like right here. Look, someone's trying to catch a gopher right here. Oh no.
Here's your hiker. All right, let's get going.
Okay, it's 211.
You know where the car is, Dooners?
Yeah, it's not far up here.
Huh?
I think I do. All right, guys, we're in Simi Valley, California, out in the canyon. We took the 118 to get here, right? That was the 118, right?
Yep.
It's freezing up here.
Good to be back, guys.
Yeah, Joel's here. Look at him.
Good to be back, guys.
His knees feeling better. He's on a diet.
Yeah, it's called a no beer diet, which means no happy diet.
Man, imagine coming through here at night and coming off this road right here, Joel.
Somebody has. Somebody did. Imagine going down the side of this.
Yeah.
I got a funny feeling you should have brought a rope.
What is that down there? I have a rope. That's part of a couch.
You're gonna need it.
I'm ready.
I got a funny feeling you're gonna need it.
All right, guys, this is supposed to be a private road, but we're just kind of acting like we can't read. But we are in Simi Valley off the 118 in a canyon. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, but we'll warm up really quick. Guys, you could just hike in the middle of this road because there's literally no one up here. We drove to the top and there was a park. What's this safety tape on the ground about? Feeling all right, Joel? It's beautiful up here. Man, it looks like a lot of people come out here and dump trash off the side. That's sad.
Yeah, they did. Drugs, boxes.
There's a jet ski down there and a mattress. Holy cow. There's a mattress and there's a jet ski and there's a front end of a boat.
Whoa. Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's
the whole trailer.
Oh, it is?
That's the whole jet ski stay. Those are two jet skis. Sea-Doos. The Sea-Doos went right off the side. They came unhooked.
Oh yeah, the whole trailer's down there, guys.
That's two Sea-Doos.
Yeah. There's a whole jet ski down there. Two jet skis, a trailer.
Somebody lost their Sea-Doos, decided to leave them.
They might be stolen. Man, who knows what we're gonna find out here. We haven't seen a car yet. You all right, Joel?
Some broke all those bushes down.
Yeah, something crashed right there.
You could have pulled out here.
No, remember we tried? The van's too big, dude. I don't see no cars yet, but this is getting steeper. Guys, the car should be right around here. Oh, I see something. Joel, I see something down there. I think I see two wrecks down there.
Huh?
I think I see two cars down there.
Yeah, they went off on this corner here.
There's one way out there, and then there's something right here.
Yeah, that's a definite wreck. Where's the other one you see?
Right through here.
Oh yeah, there's something over there too, huh?
I could go down here, but I want to tie off so I could have an easy way up.
Hop on that door and just slide down with it.
No way.
Tie up to that door and take a slide.
Joe, let's walk up to that rock and show them that rock. We'll come back down and come down. I'll figure out a way down. I'll go down. Guys, you gotta see this rock. It's the size of a house. And it's 100% flat. You could just walk right across it.
Yeah, there's a couple cars that lost it on this corner, Junior.
Yeah, there's no guardrails anywhere. This is all old. Yeah, there's a cab of like a vehicle out there. Man, this is some pretty rugged terrain, huh? Oh, wow. Look,
Believe me, that's a wreck.
there's an old Ford truck down there, or Chevy.
Huh?
Look.
Yep, there's another wreck. Full-blown wreck.
Guys, you can't see it, but there's like an old truck down there.
Yeah, there is. Where's James when you need him? He'll be funny going down there.
I'll go down there.
He'll side pedal all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah, when you get down, then you got to move over. You got two wrecks over there.
Oh, yeah, I wonder if I could just keep going down. Let's go take a look at this rock, guys. It's really cool. Stay with me, guys. I'll turn the camera off for a while. Oh, check this out, guys. We're on the edge of this.
Yeah, it is.
What is this? A guardrail? The guardrails are gone. The people have crashed through them. If you look straight down, there's a gas tank off like an old motorcycle down there. I'm going down. Look, there's an old center cap. What's the easiest way down there? Through here? Hold on, guys. Let me go for it. Huh? How?
Over the side, climb down like the ladder.
Can I do that?
How are you gonna go? Yeah, you can go through there. You have to walk on top of that brush.
Yeah, it's easy to try
On
to...
top of that beaver brand. Might be easier for you to just go over the side.
Let me take my bag off.
There's a way right there, Donor.
Through there?
Cut down through that retaining wall, and right up against the retaining wall.
I think I could just...
Yep, just drop down right there at the end of that retaining wall.
I don't want to rub against the brush. I don't know if there's ticks out right now, but I don't want to find out. So,
Well, that should be your easiest way. I'm not guaranteeing nothing climb down the side of this.
I'm gonna hold on to this edge though. Here, watch out.
I don't want to touch the bush.
Oh, I see. There's no. You can't grab nothing.
There's nothing to grab.
No, to come up.
You have to hold on right to the end.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Not in bad shape, really.
Wow.
That's not in super bad shape.
That's cool.
There's where the gas outlet is. See it on the bottom?
Yeah.
Where the gas comes out.
The thing that sucks is it's Phillips.
Huh?
Phillips would be modern, right? You want to just leave it right there? You see anything else crazy down here? Here's an old Ford center cap.
Looks like a Lincoln. What make is it?
Ford.
Ford?
Wow, that's a vintage Ford one, huh?
Yeah. Which means there's a vintage Ford down there under all those bushes.
Yeah. That's a cool one. Man, we're finding some cool stuff. Maybe we'll just hide all the stuff till we come back. Let's continue on to this rock, guys, and then we'll continue back. We'll hike back down, go to those two cars, and guys, look right above me. That's
I hope this car can make this corner.
me too. Look at that jet above us, Joel. Where can I put my hand?
Yep, that's what you got to hold on to right there. Ducting, piece of plywood.
Guys, I'm gonna hide this over here so no one finds it, because man, this is too cool.
It's surprising if there wasn't a truck like that.
Stashed it, guys. Huh?
It surprised me if there's not a car way down in there.
I got a feeling there's gonna be a couple cars down in there.
It would really surprise me.
Stay tuned, y'all.
I mean,
Yeah.
this one lady got lucky, Bitters.
Why?
She's hiking with her friend. Mountain lion jumps down and grabs her, and she's having a tug of war with her friend in the mountain lion.
Yeah.
And some hikers that came along, and with their help, they beat that mountain lion and got that mountain lion to let go of her friend,
Yeah.
to let go of that woman.
Yeah.
She was pretty chewed up. She was pretty chewed up.
Man, this has to be one of the most dangerous roads I've ever seen in my life. There is no guardrail, guys. If you crank the wheel to the right, sayonara, you're gone. Here's the rock, guys. Check that out. That's all one piece. I want to go walk on it. Check it out, guys. Wow. Oh man, this canyon's deep. This canyon's deep. It looks shallow from the edge. It drops hundreds of feet down there. Who knows what you'll find down there? Holy cow. What is this, like limestone or something?
Kinda.
Wow.
Looks like there's any granite.
I don't see no granite. It looks like a slippery decomposing rock with algae growing on top of it, as you can see there. Whoa. There's a manzanita. Oh wow. Joel, I'm looking across at you. You should see how steep this is. This road we're walking up.
Yeah, this road's steep.
It don't look like it when we're walking up it, Joel, but it's like this.
Yeah, these guys want to try to ride a skateboard down this hill. They're gonna be in a world that they better have
Yeah.
They better have some rain.
Guys, we have about 2.5 hours of sunlight. Let's go try to film at least 1 to 2 cars. And then we know this location exists.
Yeah, you drop down on that truck. I'm not sure you're going to be able to continue down the canyon to
I'll
those other 2 wrecks.
I'm gonna tie off on a guardrail somewhere.
You might have to come all the way back up and go down again.
Yeah. This is old California history out here.
That's a 50-something truck you're going to drop. I think it's a 50-something truck you're going to drop down on.
Yeah. Wow, I wonder what's down in there. We don't have a...
I wonder what's that? A canyon? A deep canyon? A wet canyon?
I think I'm better off coming this way, huh, Joel?
No, you can't. That's the way you came. Where'd you come down? No, I think
Right
you
here.
came down over here. Is that where you went down?
No, it was over there, but this is a lot easier.
In fact, who knows? Did somebody jump out and steal it?
All right, guys, we got the rope all hooked up. What we're gonna do is try to film as much as possible, but my batteries are dead and my batteries aren't in my bag. I think my battery is in the van. So
Head on down. Head on down. There you go, Junior. Be careful, though. Be careful.
oh, my hiking stick. Throw it down to me when I get there. Here, just try to hit the truck with it. Seriously, just try to hit the truck with it. Because I don't need it right now. But try to do it good. Yeah, that's cool. Whatever. Holy crap. Joe, what am I stuck on? I was wrapped around his legs trying to answer his phone. Holy crap. Yeah.
I'm up on a cliff edge and Junior's is down below.
All right, let me sit here and make sure there's no... Let me stand here and make sure there's no bees. Let's approach this car, vehicle, truck, whatever, with caution. Remember, you don't want to get stuck down here. And then a swarm comes out, remember that. Okay, I don't see nothing flying anywhere. Wow, it's a complete truck, guys. The bed's there. Wow. Wow, look at that little back window. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna turn this off because remember, we're on limited battery. Take a couple photos and then I'm gonna go to the other side. Stay with me. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to go this way and shoot down. Look, guys. There's something here also.
What are you doing down there, Dooner?
I don't know what this is, but
Dooner! What's going on?
somebody tried someone jacked it up and took the rear end out.
Oh.
Look at that.
That's what he said. He said somebody jacked it up.
Look at the bullet holes. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Look at that. Is this like part of the tailgate right here? Or is this part of another car? That's like a part of another car right there. All right, guys, again, I'm gonna shut it off and take pictures because we're on limited battery. I'm thinking this car has been here from possibly the 60s or 70s. Reason I'm saying it, people have jacked this car up in so many different positions and put stuff under it and stole parts off it. This car could have been here, vehicle, you know, from the 60s, 70s. You just don't know. But I would love to stay and film more, guys, but I think I'm gonna try to find one more car out here before my battery runs out. I could use my iPhone, but someone took the engine. We're at 12%, guys. Let's get rolling. Huh?
Yeah, that other car's right there.
Is it? Can you see it?
Yeah. It's actually about 100 yards from you. Can you go through there, Dooners, or not?
I think I could go through.
Go.
All right, guys. I'm going to shut the camera off.
At the bottom of the river, the stream bed.
I'm going to grab my hiking pole because I threw it halfway up.
Got a stream bed right there.
And then we're going to try to make it to the other car without going up.
Stay down in that stream bed, Dooners. You'll be able to see all of it.
All right, I'm going to stay down here. Stay with me, guys. All right, guys, here is something. This is part of a stolen car. It's been chopped up. Wow. Joel, it's only part of a car. It's only part of a car. Guys, look at this, like center console or whatever this is on this car.
Not only part of a car yet there.
They might have thrown it off the side years and years and years ago. But man, this is kind of a distinctive piece right here. Look at this. Here's some type of lever, look. A red lever. So I don't know what this was. It's interesting, that's for sure. Look, guys, here's a Honda bumper. This car's crashed all through here over the time, you know. Wow, I'm standing on another car right now. Whoa. Oh wow, I can see a car through there, but I'd have to whack through water.
Yeah, Dooners, if you keep going down through that
Yeah, but I don't know if I want to walk through this water. Guys, let me turn the camera off so we save battery. Oh, that car's buried. I'm not even going. It's buried. It's surrounded by weeds and stuff. I'm not even going for it. Joel's buried by greenery. And it'd be up to my knees in water, so I'm not gonna do it, guys. Stay with me, I'm gonna try to get back to the top. Maybe we could get to one more car. If not, we'll call it a video, but at least we found a complete vehicle today. Guys, I spotted this when I came down. This is a marijuana filter. They filter the air, so I think there's no smell.
Where are you going?
I'm coming up. Yeah. All right, guys. The GoPro died. I don't know where my batteries are. I had them in my hand this morning when I was leaving. Haven't filmed a car video in weeks, so I'm a little rusty, guys. I had stuff spread out everywhere. I had stuff charging in different rooms of the house, etc., but we had a really fun time. Now I'm filming with the iPhone. Look how much easier and clearer it is. But the thing about iPhones, guys, you have to mount them to your chest about here. And I don't know, they're very large. They get in the way, but nothing records better than an iPhone.
It's too bad I can't photograph you from up there
Can you take a picture of me?
when you're way down there.
Try it.
I can take a picture with my phone, but my phone sucks.
It's an iPhone. Just a little bit outdated. Here, I'm stewing on Joel.
Yeah, I got you down there. I can see you.
Take a picture of me. Man, look how good that thing zooms, guys. Unbelievable.
I don't have any zoom on this.
You just don't know how to work it, Joel.
All I do is I can point it at you and take the picture. What else is there?
Take a couple photos, that's cool.
There you go.
All right, guys, I'll start pulling up. Wow, look at that. What are those things called? Rockets? Chemtrails? Vapor trails. That thing's ripping up there, dude. Oh, look, there's another one to the left. Wow. Man, it's beautiful out here, guys. Hope I don't have no ticks on me, but we should be all right. It's wintertime. Got my gloves. Yeah, that's cool. Wow. Look how clear it is, Joel. All right, guys, I'm gonna climb out. If we see an open opportunity to find another car, and I'll crawl down. I'll just try to film with my iPhone when I stop every time. Stay with me, guys.
Hi, Lena.
Joel, I'm coming up.
Hi, Oli.
I'm going up, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Joel's sick and tired of me putting away tangled rope every time I climb down somewhere. So he's going to give us a tutorial how to get this done.
Might have to get it up first, though.
All right.
Yeah, there's a lot of tug on it.
Dude, my heart's pounding through my chest right now from coming up so fast.
Oh, yeah. What is this, 200 foot of rope?
It's 100, I think it's 99 feet, and the other one's 138 feet.
Here's how I tie rope. Our cords, my electrical cords at work.
Joel's a construction worker, guys, for those of you that didn't know. He's a framer / drywaller from San Diego, California. Born and raised. Wow, Joel, you're pretty good at that.
Just lap it in, just lap it in. But that's that's not the secret. The secret's the way I tie it off.
Okay, I want to see that then.
The secret's the tie off.
Yeah,
And that's all you have to do is maintain the tie off at the top.
yeah.
You keep it intact. This rope will come undone in no time.
Yeah. Man, that was a good workout. I feel good now. All right, guys.
Back on the map too, possibly. Okay,
Here's
the
the
tie off.
Here's the tie off, guys. Don't hit your teeth, Joel.
Loop goes through. Loop goes through. This goes through the loop.
Wow.
You're tied off.
Wow.
If you keep it like that all the time, don't let it get away, this will come undone like nothing.
Yeah.
It'll come right undone.
Joel, tell everybody how old you are.
74.
You're 74, got perfect teeth, good health.
And handsome too.
I don't know about that.
Oh! Now, come on.
All right, guys, let's go try to. We're gonna start walking back to the car. We're gonna take our gas tank we found, the drone, our hiking poles, the gloves. We're gonna bunch everything together, hike towards the van. If we see another vehicle, let's see what time it is.
You gotta keep it looped just like that.
It's 3:07. We still have
Hold into
time.
place.
We might go down one more time. If not, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna figure it out right now. Yeah. Guys, look how dangerous this is. You go over, you're a goner. Sayonara. What do you think, Joel?
Cold.
Guys, we're going to call it right here. We're not going to try to find other vehicles down here, but we just noticed something. If you just crawl down here, which is only 5 feet down and bushwhacked, you could just crawl all the way through, but it's going to be hell. Extreme hell. See up there, guys, the sun is shining. Down here, we're in a gorge, and the wind's blowing. It's freaking cold out here in this canyon. But looks like my van's still here. We didn't get it towed. We're all good. Joel's happy. I'm happy. Hope you guys
Didn't get it smacked or hit.
yeah, no one hit my van
Nobody came and stole the catalytic converter.
that we know of. Guys, we talked to 2 people when we were driving up here. I wish I was filming. I talked to a guy driving a Nissan car, like a sports car. He was a really cool guy, him and his wife. And we talked to another guy in a Ford truck. He told us a bunch of history about this canyon, and my GoPro was off. Guys, every time you go somewhere, and I've watched other videos about hiking and stuff, you're gonna forget something. It's down in here. I even see like scrap metal down there. It might be possibly part of a car or a fender or something. Look at that. All right, guys, another day. We'll venture out here and go further and deeper in this canyon. We just drove really far. We're out by Calabasas, Los Angeles. What else is out here, Joel?
Valley.
Simi Valley. Peace out, guys.